Assalamu alaikum. The United Nations must recognize the urgency of the Kashmir crisis as a wake-up call to act decisively for peace and injustice. It is time for the international community to take concrete steps to demilitarize the region and ensure the reunification of Jammu Kashmir with full sovereignty and independence in line with the aspirations of its people. The continued imprisonment of Kashmiri leader Yasin Malik reflects a denial of political freedom, and the UN should exert strong pressure on India to secure his release. Only through decisive international intervention can lasting peace and dignity be restored to the people of Kashmir. Kashmir is a land of people whose cries for justice have echoed for decades. Families have been divided, voices silenced, and dreams of peace shattered. The reunification of Jammu and Kashmir is not just a demand, it's a right to identity, to dignity, and freedom. Today we raise our voices for Yasin Malik. He is not a criminal, he is a voice of his people, a symbol of their struggle. We demand his freedom not tomorrow, not someday, but now. His release is not optional, it is justice.
The Kashmiris have been suffering for so long. The Indian forces, the Pakistani forces, they go and the Kashmiris are suffering. We just want one message: free Kashmir. Indian forces from Kashmir out, out.
We want free Kashmir. Indian forces from Kashmir out, out. Free Kashmir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand here in front of the United Nations to say the children of Kashmir also deserve freedom, happiness, and a safe future. We do not want war. We do not want violence. We only want peace so that every child can play, learn, and dream just like me. Dear leaders of the world, please listen. Please use your powers to bring peace to Jammu Kashmir. Please help give them the right to live freely, with dignity, and with hope. What we want, independence, Jammu Kashmir. What we release, Yasin Malik. We are Yasin Malik. What we want, free Kashmir. What we want, free Kashmir. What we want, free Kashmir.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Stop the occupation no more.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Stop the killing, stop the hate.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Occupation no more.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Stop the killing, stop the hate.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Occupation no more.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Stop the killing, stop the hate.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Occupation no more.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Stop the killing, stop the hate.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Occupation no more.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Stop the killing, stop the hate.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Occupation no more.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Stop the killing, stop the hate. Free Kashmir, free